Take a look at malfunction indicator light, or MIL, or check engine light. The malfunction indicator light, or MIL, is located on the cluster meter. Malfunction indicator light helps in detecting problems before a breakdown or potential damage to components or systems. The engine control module, or ECM, controls the malfunction indicator light. When the ignition switch is turned on, the malfunction indicator light is on. After cranking, if the malfunction indicator light goes off, it means that all the sensors and actuators are working correctly. If the malfunction indicator light blinks while the engine is running, it means that there is malfunction in one or more sensors or actuators.